In this video, we'll show you how to use our Companies House GPT to easily query Companies House data. You'll need to log into your ChatGPT Plus account first. Once logged in, select the Companies House GPT. Now you can start asking questions. Our GPT will retrieve the relevant data from Companies House. You can ask, what is the registered company address? Who are the directors? When did they last file their accounts? And other questions you can think to ask. And there you have it. Using the Companies House GPT by Okappy, you can quickly access and analyze company information effortlessly. For more information, and to try it out yourself, visit us at okappy.com. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more Okappy videos.